Hello, everyone. My name is Daniel. I am the founder of A0x. And I will show you now why Jesse Pollock, the founder of Base, decided to be our first customer. So we are helping people that is too busy to manage their DMs. Some people, everyone wants to talk with them, but even if they wanted to, they just can't. The problem is that human time doesn't scale. And in our industry, builders are growing fast, but founders doesn't have the time to mentor all of them. And the ecosystem is spending more than $1 billion in this support, but the missed opportunities are even greater. So to fix that, we're creating a network of on-chain clones. These are AIs that are trained on the knowledge and mindset of top crypto founders. They are updated in real time with everything they post on X or Farcaster, so they actually can give you good advice. And they're where you are, in Telegram, on XMTP, on the Base app, and soon on X and APIs. But what makes our clones different than any LLM with some context is that we connect you with the real guys. If the clone thinks that you or your conversation, your project is interesting, they will create a connection with the original guy. So how does this magic happen? Basically, they are chatbots. So you can send your website, your repository, your documentation to them. They will give you feedback. And they will at the same time be scoring you. So every week, we send a leaderboard to the original guy, so he can just, with a couple clicks, create group chats with you, and then you can follow up. Our case study, as I said in the beginning, is Jesse XBT, the clone of Jesse Pollock. And the reception has been really great. Everything since his tweet that he officially launched the clone like 2 weeks ago. I think this tweet almost gets the sentiment of the people, and it's Jay Astra saying, having Jesse XBT in the Base Builders Asia chat group is like having a personal Jesse coaching you and bouncing off ideas with. Actually, in these 2 weeks, more than 6,000 builders have reached, more than 30,000 pieces of feedback has been given, and now Jesse XBT is the official DM handler of Jesse Pollock. We try to think this in terms of the value we are adding. If you take those 40,000 pieces of advice and think that each reply can take about 5 minutes to a person, even counting that the AI can read a whole repository, that's about 3,000 mentorship hours. And that's actually a full-time job of 20 months for one people, so it's huge. Up to 300K in human value. But we do this 25 times cheaper. But this wasn't all the time like this. We built a platform to launch clones 10 months ago, but the models sucked. They weren't good at all. So we spent the last 10 months improving how we handle context, knowledge, real-time updates, memory, capabilities, and the feedback loop. In terms of catch, the token we launched as a fair launch is generating more than 10K a month. And also, this month that we launched the first clone, we already generated more than 10K in income. And also, we have 10 months of runway. We don't want to stay there. We want to grow this network by cloning other founders, investors, VCs, so you have all the building blocks of the crypto ecosystem, and then just open it to everyone. Our business model has 2 parts. Now the clones are for free, but that means that the original is paying. He pays us between 0.1 and 0.3 USDC per reply. And they do this because this gives them exposure, community impact, and deal flow. And the phase 2 is premium clones, so you have to pay for that subscription or even a paid per request mode. We believe that with each new clone, we create a more valuable network, and this will bring better builders to work with us. So now your clone is handling your DMs, but maybe tomorrow he can even close deals. And we believe that this compounding intelligence makes our network defensible. The team is built by a mixture of expertise with hands in the mud building on-chain apps and expertise on researching machine learning models. And we are very proud to be supported by the Base Ecosystem Fund of Coinbase Ventures. We are asking for 1 million to 10x our monthly revenue to give the clones on-chain capabilities and integrate the A0x token into the platform, and to finally open the platform for everyone. Thank you very much. If you want to talk with some guy in crypto that could give you feedback or any comment, please scan my QR and tell me who should we clone next. Thank you. Hey, sorry for the time.
Walk us through the onboarding process for your next customer. So what was it like working with Jesse? How much time did it take to ramp up to get the clone to a point where you thought it was in a position to be ready for consumer use?
Yeah, so for Jesse, it took us like 6 months to get this thing working actually good. The second clone took us like a week. The following clones that we are building to them before they claim them takes us between 2 days and 1 week. But we can improve that to just the first onboarding take maybe an hour or less, and then you can keep on improving your clone for yourself.
Yeah, you kind of touched on it. It's an interesting growth strategy. So are you going to just make clones for a bunch of people and then reach out to them and be like, hey, do you want this? Walk us through your growth strategy.
Yes. Exactly. I did that with Jesse and with the first 2 clones. And I believe that's the best way to show that it's really good, so you can claim it.
What does a good reply look like, and how do you control that? Because Jesse's reputation could be at risk if it leads a founder down the line. If you're doing a great job for 6 months and this founder is wasting his time.
Sorry, I didn't get the question exactly.
How do you know what a good reply looks like? How do you know that it's actually giving good advice?
Yeah.
Like rather than leading them saying, hey, you're doing great, just keep going, and it turns out to be actually a bad idea.
Well, it's the people. We have tons of testimonials of people that have been getting help by Jesse XBT, and they are pretty glad. We also have this feedback loop, so in the beginning, the replies weren't that good, but you can give feedback to your clones, so you can correct them, and that fixed it really fast. So it's a satisfaction that you as an owner has to feel.
What are the most common questions Jesse's clone gets asked?
The best or the most common?
The most common.
When token. No, for real. A lot of DJs asking questions and trying to get the alpha, because a lot of projects are talking with Jesse XBT, and there's some opportunity there. Also, a lot of people trying to build mini apps and trying to learn how to do that. Maybe some people that never before code anything, but now they get the chance because they can ask the silly questions that you wouldn't dare to ask the real guy, and you get your reply. So we're really happy about the results we're getting. Thank you, guys.